Hello again. So last time we looked at how we took numbers that were in standard form and put them in scientific notation, but what if we have a number that's given to us in scientific notation and we want to write it out as a regular number? So let's take an example, 2.3 times 10 to the 6, and I want to write this as a standard number. Now remember, standard numbers don't have this guy hanging out there. We need to get rid of him. It's a 10 to the 6th. We'd like to make it a 10 to the 0 because that's the same as a 1 and we don't need to write it anymore. And so if I'm going to decrease this large number, I need to increase this number. I'm decreasing this by 6 factors of powers of 10, so I'm going to increase that by 6 powers of 10. And so that 2.3, well, its decimal will jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these zeros. And then I would write this number as 2300000. Or I could write it as 2.3 million with my little commas there to make it easier for me to look at that number. And really, that's all there is to it in every case. Now let's look at a smaller number. Let's see, we have 2.94 times 10 to the negative 8. Tiny, tiny number. Remember, 10 to the 8th minus 8 is the same as 1 over 10 to the 8th. If you guys recall back from algebra, where a to the minus 1 is 1 over a. Yeah? Okay. So, this being a tiny number, I need to make it bigger. I need to make the negative 8 become into a 0. So I got to add 8 there. So again, I'm going to have to make this number smaller. So this number being 2.94 has to go down by 8 powers of 10, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put in my zeros. And so I have 0.000000294. Okay? And there it is, the number in regular form. That's really all there is to it. I'll do another couple of quick examples for you. Let me put this up here. 6.8 times 10 to the 7th. You guys go ahead and write this, pause this video, and see if you get the right answer. Okay, so you should have gotten, this is a large number. I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to make that guy bigger. And so that would be 6.8 is going to bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just counted the zeros there. So then I have 6, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Or I could write that as this, so it looks more like 68 million. Okay, one more small number. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys try one on your own. So here is 3.2 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, go ahead and put that as a regular number. Pause the video. Okay, here we go. So, this guy is tiny. We need to make him big, so we're going to make this guy smaller. So 3.2, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just the number up here is the number we're going to be bouncing. So put in our zeros, and we have 0.000032. And so here is that number written as a standard number. This is exactly equivalent to 3.2 times 10 to the minus 5. If you were talking about a quantity, let's say it was meters, it would be exactly the same amount. Same length, just a different way of writing it. I hope this helps.